Personal trainer. As a personal trainer, you'll create one-on-one fitness programs for your clients, motivating and guiding them to achieve their goals. Abdominal bench. Tailored for abdominal exercises, supporting users during sit-ups and crunches. Adjustable dumbbells. Dumbbells that allow users to adjust the weight, offering versatility for various exercises. Air bike. A stationary bike with a fan resistance system, offering an intense cardio workout. Kettlebell. The kettlebell sport, having originated in Russia, now has competitions across the world. It consists of 3 main lifts: the snatch, jerk, and the long cycle. Treadmill. A treadmill is an exercise machine for walking or running in place. If it's bitterly cold outside, you might decide to go to the gym and run on the treadmill instead of taking your usual outdoor jog. Elliptical. On an elliptical, you stand and move your legs in a round and round motion. This helps you get exercise that's similar to running, but without so much impact on your joints. Stationary bike. The word stationary means it doesn't move anywhere, you just stay in one place while pedaling. Classes where an instructor leads a group of people on stationary bikes while listening to music are often called spin classes. Weights. These heavy things are called weights, and the exercise of picking them up is called lifting weights. Barbell. The long pole with weights on each end that a weightlifter or bodybuilder lifts at a gym is called a barbell. If you're new to lifting weights, your barbell may only hold a few pounds. Dumbbell. A dumbbell is a type of weight you might see at a gym. You typically lift a dumbbell with one hand, unless it's too heavy and you accidentally drop it on your foot. Medicine ball. A medicine ball is a weighted ball that can be used for all types of exercises. They're designed to build strength and coordination, improve health, and help athletes recover from injury. Medicine balls are made of a wide range of materials, including rubber, vinyl, nylon, and leather. Exercise ball. A gym ball helps to reinforce your muscle and body tone. They are air-filled and easy to use at your gym workouts. Mat. Exercise mats cushion the body to prevent aches and pains while people exercise. Rowing machine. Rowing is a total body workout, meaning it will strengthen major muscle groups in your arms, legs, and core and increase cardiovascular endurance. In short, if you consistently use the rowing machine, you'll notice that you'll become stronger and less out of breath. You may even notice some muscle gain. Punching bag. An inflated ball or bag that is suspended and punched for training in boxing. Bar. For doing an exercise called pull-ups, you use your arms to pull the weight of your body up. Step. You can adjust the height of the step by adding or removing the pieces underneath. Resistance bands. These are stretchy elastic bands that can be used to do many different exercises. Jump rope. A high basic jump, turning the rope twice under the feet. Turning the rope 3 times is called a triple under. Fitness tracker. An electronic device, usually worn on the wrist, that is designed to record information about your physical fitness and activity, for example your heart rate and how many steps you have walked. A cylindrical tool used for self-massage, helping in muscle recovery. Battle ropes. Heavy-duty ropes providing a full-body cardiovascular and strength workout. Bench press. A flat bench used with barbells or dumbbells for chest exercises. Bosu ball. A half-ball platform used for balance and stability exercises. Cable machine. A versatile piece of equipment that uses a pulley system to lift weights. Calf raise machine. Designed for strengthening and toning the calf muscles. Cardio climber. Combines the benefits of a stair stepper and a vertical climber, offering cardio and strength training. Chest press machine. Targets the chest muscles, allowing users to lift weights horizontally while seated. Decline bench. A bench that slopes downward for targeted chest and abdominal exercises. Dip station. A structure used for performing bodyweight exercises for the upper body. Deadlift platform. A designated area, often padded, where deadlifts can be performed safely. Easy curl bar. Designed for bicep and tricep training with a more comfortable grip. Flat bench. A horizontal bench used for various weightlifting and bodyweight exercises. Foam roller. A cylindrical tool used for self-massage, helping in muscle recovery. Functional trainer, versatile equipment allowing a wide range of exercises to improve strength and flexibility. Free weights, unattached weights, like dumbbells and barbells, used for resistance training. Glute ham developer. A device for targeting the glute and hamstring muscles effectively. Grip strengtheners. Handheld devices designed to improve hand and forearm strength. Group cycle. Stationary bikes designed for cycling classes, offering features to track and improve performance. Hyperextension bench. Equipment for strengthening the lower back and abdominal muscles. Hack squat machine. A machine designed for performing hack squats, targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Hand weights. Small, handheld weights used for additional resistance during aerobic workouts. Horizontal seated leg press. Users sit reclined, pushing weights horizontally, targeting the lower body without putting strain on the back. Incline bench. A bench set at an incline for various exercises, primarily for upper body workouts. Indoor rower. Simulates the action of watercraft rowing for exercise or training purposes. Inversion table. Users hang upside down at various angles for spinal decompression and relief from back pain. Isolateral chest press. A machine that allows arms to move independently for balance strength improvement in chest and triceps. Jacob's ladder. An angled, self-paced, ladder-like piece of equipment that provides a challenging cardio workout. Jungle Gym. A multi-station workout structure designed for various exercises, promoting functional and bodyweight training. Jiu-jitsu mats. Thick, durable mats providing a safe surface for martial arts training. Kipping pull-up bar. A pull-up bar designed for performing kipping pull-ups, commonly used in cross-training workouts. Knee raise station. Equipment designed for performing leg raises to engage abdominal muscles. Kangoo jumps. Rebound exercise shoes designed to reduce impact and provide a unique cardio workout. Lat pull-down machine. Targets the upper body, primarily the latissimus dorsi, with a cable and pulley system. Leg extension machine. Isolates and targets the quadriceps. Leg curl machine. Designed for isolating and strengthening the hamstrings. Leg press. A machine where weights are pushed away using the legs, targeting the thighs and glutes. Multi-gym. An all-in-one gym equipment for multiple exercises, maximizing space efficiency. Mini trampoline. Offers a fun, low-impact cardio workout, also known as rebounding. Neck harness. A piece of strength equipment that wraps around the head for neck strengthening exercises. Nordic track. An indoor skiing device that provides a low-impact total body workout. Nutrition shaker bottles. For mixing protein shakes and other nutritional drinks. Nylon stirrup handle. Attachment for cable machines to target various muscle groups. Olympic weight plates. Larger, heavier weights with a 2-inch diameter hole, designed for serious weightlifting. Olympic barbell. A long, heavy bar designed for weightlifting with Olympic plates. Oval trainers. Low-impact machines providing a total body workout, combining an elliptical and a cross-trainer. Overhead press bench. Bench designed for seated overhead press exercises for shoulder strengthening. Power rack. A cage-like structure providing safety for free weight lifters. Plyo boxes. Used for plyometric jumping exercises, improving strength and explosiveness. Pilates reformer. A bed-like frame with a flat platform on springs, used in Pilates for resistance exercise. Pec deck machine. Isolates and strengthens the chest muscles. Quad machine. Targets the quadriceps, providing isolation exercises for the thigh muscles. Quick lock dumbbell. Adjustable dumbbells that allow quick weight change, providing versatility for various exercises. Recumbent bike. A type of exercise bike that places the rider in a laid-back reclining position.